Hello everyone, my name is Prashant Kumardi and I am presently pursuing my third semester in Tashora College of Engineering and the course name is Operating System and the course code is BCS 301. Now we are going to learn about the topic of goals of protection. Setting clear and achievable objects of safeguarding assets and resources is essential in protecting strategies. This involves identifying specific threats and vulnerabilities that need to be addressed. The main theme is to protect the essential assets and resources. Now we are going to see the principles of protection. In principles of protection, there are like three types, that is defense in depth, least privilege, and redundancy. In defense in depth, implementing multiple layers of security to provide resilience against attacks and breaches. For example, like multiple layers of security in the sense like building more number of firewalls to protect the data and the information, and the least privilege, restricting access rights to users for only what is minimum necessary to perform their duties. By giving this process helps by this process gives us to or to allow the users to use as much as information required more than accessing too much of the data, by providing as the minimum amount of data what is to be done for the duty, that much information is provided. And in redundancy, creating backup systems and resources to ensure continuity in the event of failures. Like when you're performing an event and when there is a failure, you need to have the backup so that you can continue the work by doing the backup and backup process. So it does not make the work failure. It helps us to continue the work continuously by providing the data which have been backed up. Now we're going to see the domain of protection. In domain of protection, the network security, the data protection, and the physical security are there. In network security, securing the boundaries and communication within a network to prevent unauthorized access. It provides security from unauthorized access to access the data and information. And in data protection, ensuring the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of sensitive information. Only a certain people can access this data because it is very confidential and integrity and it is very sensitive information. And physical security, protecting physical assets and facility from the theft, damage, and unauthorized access. For example, like password security, pins, etc. These are the physical security which we keep in our day-to-day life to from accessing our data and information. Access matrix. Access matrix has like three types, three subtopics, that is role-based access control, attribute-based access control, and discriminatory access control. In role-based access control, assigning access permission based on users' roles and responsibility within an organization, that is accessing permission based on the user's role and responsibility, that is within the organization the permission is given. An attribute-based access control using specific attributes, for example, time, day, and location, to determine access rights for users. By using the time, day, and location, by these attributes, we can access the rights of the users. This is in attribute-based access control. And in discriminatory access control, allowing users to control access to their resources based on the discretion. Like in this discriminatory access control, the users can control access to the resources based on the discretion. That's it. Thank you.